So they're not renovating the house like I thought that bin was for, but rather they're going to be demolishing the entire cottage and rebuilding a brand new one. Excavator's coming in here now. Check out this mammoth machine. What a beast. So there's going to be entertainment here. Probably tomorrow, starting tomorrow, this house is no longer going to be standing there. I think I want to go in and have a peek inside. I don't think it'll be a big deal. I really don't. I think I'm going to go and have a look. So this is from the back. This is the deck. Let's see. So this is what they used to have. You can see there's probably a bedroom and a bathroom right there. And yeah, so this is all going to be demolished. Wow. I'm at the front entrance here. See, just that they could see me all alone. But I almost feel like I am trespassing because I am, but I just want to get a quick look because this will never be the same. So yeah, this was the bathroom, shower, toilet. You can feel the floors, and the bedroom right here. Quickly have a look. The old, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get out, but look at that. So they get to see the sunset every night too. Lucky them. There's a dream machine right there. But yeah, they get to see the sunset right from inside their house. Lucky them. But yeah, this is all going to be destroyed. It's by this monster right here. How interesting is that going to be? So sweet. Yeah. But I'm going to get out of here. See, that's where they're staying at right now. And that's where all their stuff is stored. But yeah. See? What a beast. Ooh. It's the temporary electrical. I was wondering what he was doing that for. So yeah, one last look. It's now May 30th. And this house is going to be taken down tomorrow. After tomorrow, this shot will never ever be able to happen again. My van with that old house and the excavator in one shot. Oh, and Mr. Bo Dangles. Now they're all in one shot. Oh, nope, he's going over to see his girlfriend, Mama. He's gonna go tell her the food's out. started at 5 to 8. It's now 5 after 9. So this house was demolished in about an hour and 15 minutes. And look at everything he put like right on top of the foundation. It's pretty good work. Hardly any bits on the ground. Just a little bit right there. That's not much considering it was a whole house. Pretty good job, right? He's done. Hour and 15 minutes to demolish a house. How much that I didn't stay yesterday after they finished demolishing, and he was starting to take up the debris and put it into the bins. I left, but as you can see, the house is gone. June 1st.